Today I'm going to show you how to make Jagaimo no Dengaku. It's a simple Japanese potato dish with a savory and sweet miso glaze. It's quick to make, and it's perfect as a side dish, or even just as a delicious snack on its own. You'll need the following ingredients: 400 grams of potatoes, 25 grams of miso paste, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sake, toasted sesame seeds, 1 to 2 green onions, and 2 tablespoons of oil for frying. First, let's prepare the Dengaku sauce. Just mix the miso paste together with the sugar, sake, and mirin in a small bowl. Then, set the sauce aside. Next, heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the potatoes and pan fry them until they're golden brown on all sides. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, turn the heat down a little. Now it's time to add the miso sauce you prepared earlier. Gently toss the potatoes in the sauce, making sure they're coated all over. Stir everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken and glaze the potatoes. Finally, sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds and green onions on top, and give everything a final mix. And just like that, your potato dengaku is ready. Enjoy! Itadakimasu!